Today I'll walk you through how to put a picture or video as your background on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to customize your Snapchat experience so you can share more personalized content with your friends. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. If you're familiar with the app, this is like opening the door to your favorite cafe. It's where all the fun begins. Once you're on the camera page, look for the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to conversations, similar to stepping into a cozy room filled with your friends. Next, open the conversation where you want to set the background. This could be a chat with a friend or a group. Just tap on the conversation to enter. Now, click on the name of the person or the group at the top of the chat screen. This will bring up a menu. Here, you will see an option labeled wallpaper. Click on that. It's important to note that this feature is only available for Snapchat Premium users. If you are a premium user, you can click the Select Wallpaper button and choose a picture or video from your gallery. Think of it as choosing a beautiful painting to hang on your wall. It adds a personal touch to your space. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Snapchat frequently updates its interface. Just follow along and you'll be able to find the options. And there you have it. You've successfully set a picture or video as your background on Snapchat. This simple customization can make your chats more engaging and fun, allowing you to express yourself creatively. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.